Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today topic of presentation is diversity and ecology of Harpetofauna in Cholistan desert. Introduction to Cholistan. Cholistan desert known as Roi, situated in southern region of Punjab, Pakistan. It covers 26,000 square kilometers and have a harsh temperature which possess the numerous reptile species that have evolved with the withstand arid conditions. Adaptations of reptiles for the desert life. In a desert region like Cholistan, reptiles have developed unique characteristics to withstand intense heat, arid, and a shortage of the food. Water conservation. All the reptiles excrete uric acid rather than a PEP of conservation. Conserve water through because their thick scaly skin prevent water loss. Heat regulation to avoid the heat. Many of nocturnal or crepuscular active during the cool hours at the day. Burrowing behavior. Avoid extreme heat. Some species such as spiny-tailed lizards dig burrow. Reptiles in Pakistan. About 195 species of reptiles found in the Pakistan. Main classes divided into main groups: Crocodilia, crocodile and gharials 2 species, Saciomata 178 species, including the both suborders, Lacertilia lizards 95 species and suborders serpents, snakes 83 species, testudines, turtle and tortoise 15 species found in reptile orders found in Cholistan desert. Two main orders containing the species, different species have found in the Cholistan: Saciomata, lizard and snakes, and testudines, turtle and tortoise. Overview of the lizards found in the Cholistan desert, including 6 families and 14 species. First family is Agamedi, Indian garden lizard, Pakistan ground agma, Afghan ground agma. 3 species of this family found in Pakistan in desert Cholistan. Euromastidi, spiny-tailed lizard, Sarah hardwicki. Third one is the Lacertidae, Indian figure toe lizard, Cholistan striped lacerta. Fourth family found in the Cholistan is the Geckonidae. Have 3 different species of this family, and fifth family is Senicidae. These are the skinks, yellow-bellied mole skink, Indian sand swimmers, 2 species found in Cholistan. Varanidae, monitor lizards, 3 species of this family found in the Cholistan. Introduction to Cholistan. Cholistan desert known as Roi, situated in southern region of Punjab, Pakistan. It covers 26,000 square kilometers and have a harsh temperature which possess the numerous reptile species that have evolved with the withstand arid conditions. Second is the ground agma, typically found in the desert, semi-desert, gravel plain and rocky outcrop. It's well adapted to hot, dry condition. These agmas are terrestrial and diurnal. They often bask on the rock and may dig burrows. Coloration can vary and usually including grayish to sandy tones for camouflage. Male may show bright blue patches during the breeding season, especially on the throat and sides. Main diet of these species are the insectivores, feeding on ant, beetle, spider, and other small invertebrates. Reptile orders found in Cholistan desert. Two main orders containing the species, different species have found in the Cholistan, Sacyometa, lizard and snakes, and testodines, turtle and tortoise. Spiny tail lizard appearance usually stocky body and broad flattened tail covered with spiny scales used for defense. A range of size from 25 centimeter to over 75 centimeter depending on the species. Color varies from grey, brown, yellowish or green and change slightly with temperature or mood. Herbivores, unlike many other lizards, they mainly eat leaf, flower, seed and some succulent plants. Habitat found in arid and semi-arid region, desert, rocky outcrop and scrubland, especially common in the Thar Desert and Balochistan. Behaviorally, burrows they dig deep tunnels to escape the heat. Diurnal active during the day, especially morning and late afternoon. Indian fringed toe sand lizard, a commonly sand lizard, small to medium sized lizard, coloration sandy to light brown, match the desert environment, pattern with dark spot or stripes for camouflage. Unique feature including fingered toe, fingers or elongated scales of toe help it move across loose sand like tiny sand seals. Pointed snout, long tail often used for balance and defense. Main habitat sandy desert, arid scrubland and semi-arid regions. Mostly diurnal, bask in sun to regulate the body temperature, quick and allied, excellent runner on hard sand, digs burrow for shelter from heat and predator. Cholistan striped lizard. Small, sleek body size, coloration sand to brown background with distinct longitudinal stripe running down the back and sides. Stripes aid in camouflage among the rippled sand and vegetation. Slender and fast moving, long limbs and tail similar to Surner and built for spread. A main habitat sandy and arid region, behaviorally diurnal, especially during color part of the morning and evening. Diet insectivore, feed on small arthropods, especially ant, beetle, and grasshoppers. Opportunistic feeder, foraging in open sandy patches. Geckonidae including common tuberculated ground gecko, small size, usually around 6 to 4 to 6 centimeter in body length, Coloration is the brown to grey with the pattern to dark spot or irregular patches. Habitat rocky outcrop, desert scrub, dry walls, and even near the small settlements. Prefer dry, loose soil. Behaviorally nocturnal, often seen hunting insect near light. Diet including insectivores. Yellow bellied house gecko, medium size for a house gecko. Coloration dorsal side pale grey or brown with faint marking. Ventral side yellowish. Toes equipped with adhesive pads allowed it to climb vertical walls or ceilings with ease. Bark gecko, medium to large size. Color dorsal side molted grey or brown, often resembled tree bark or rock. Ventral side pale to creamy. Skin appears slightly rough or granular, enhancing its bark-like look. Toe broad with toe pad that help climbing rough and vertical surface. Spotted barn gecko. Small size, approximately 6 to 10 centimeter in length, coloration in grey to brown, mostly nocturnal, comes out at night to hunt insects, diet including insectivores, prey on mosquito, ants, moth, spider, and small arthropod, help in nocturnal pest control near human dwelling. This lizard is a small to medium size, 5 to 7 centimeters now to vent length, coloration pale brown to grey. Now mostly nocturnal, active during the night, especially after dusk, and diet mostly on the insects. Senicidae family called the skinks, yellow-bellied mole skink, medium size skink, 10 to 14 centimeter in length, coloration back brownish to olive with faint longitudinal stripes, belly distinct yellowish or golden, body streamlined, shiny and cylindrical, perfect for burrowing. Limbs short but well developed, often partly hidden when moving. These are the fossorial and insectivore. Indian sand swimmer, also skink, small to medium size, body long, cylindrical, snake like body, legs are very short or only 3 toe on each front limb, hand limb with highly reduced or absent, given it a limbless serpentine appearance. These are also fossorial and insective. Vernady, Indian desert monitor, medium size monitor, 1 meter approximately in length, slightly smaller than the Bengal monitor. Coloration is the sandy beige to grayish yellow, body with the pale crossbands, diurnal, active during the day, especially morning or late afternoon. These are also fossorial and a carnivore in its diet. Bengal monitor, large, robust size up to 175 centimeter, 5 to 5.7 feet, including tail. Coloration varies with the habitat, brown to olive grey. with darker crossband or spots. Excellent climber, digger, and swimmer. Mostly diurnal, active on the daytime, and diet including it is a carnivores. Indo-Pak desert monitor, medium size monitor up to 1 meter in length, sandy yellow to pale brown with light crossband, diurnal, active during the day, also fossorial and carnivore. Venomous snakes in Cholistan, two families and four species found in the Cholistan. First family of the snake is the Lepidae, Indian krait and Indian cobra, two species of Lepidae family found in the Cholistan. Family Viperidae, Saskale viper and Russell's viper, two species of Viperidae also found in Cholistan. Big four venomous snakes in Pakistan, including common krait, Indian Varanidae, and non-venomous snakes in Cholistan, two families and 11 species found in the Cholistan. First family is the Boidae, including the Indian sand boa, also called the double-headed Indian sand swimmer, also skink, small to medium size body, long cylindrical snake like body, legs are very short or only 3 toe on each front limb, hand limb with highly reduced or absent Geckonidae, including common tuberculated ground gecko, small Tyes mucuses called the demand rat family. Varanidae, Indian desert monitor, medium size monitor, one non-venomous snakes in Cholistan, two families and 11 species found in the Cholistan. First Pakistan ribbon snake also belongs to family Colubridae or genus Phasmophis lethi. Stepped ribbon snakes also belongs to Phasmophis and Colubridae. Fourth family found in the Cholistan is the Geckonidae. Royal snake, also same genus, and red spotted diadema snake with belongs to family Colubridae and are non. Reptile orders found in Cholistan desert, two main orders containing the species, different species have found in the Cholistan, Saciomata, lizard and snakes. Bark gecko, medium to large size. Color dorsal side molted grey or brown, often resembled tree bark or rock. Ventral side pale to creamy. Skin appears slightly rough or granular, enhancing its bark-like look. Toe broad with toe pad that help climbing rough and vertical surface. Research in progress under my supervision determined the food preference of Sarah Hardwicki in the Cholistan desert using morphological method and DNA metabarcoding. Investigate the prevalence and diversity of gastrointestinal helminth in Sarah Hardwicki and characterized the helminth species using morphological and molecular techniques. Morphological approach of diet preference including the data collection, plant cover, record the plant species consumed by the lizards, fecal analysis, collection of the fecals and identified the food, fragment, seed, leaf, birds and non-arthropod animals. Stomach contents may also be used to identify the food using the stomach flush techniques to gather and analyze the food. Molecular approach in a diet preference diet analysis. The molecular approach including the DNA extraction from the fecal sample, PC for amplification, bioinformatic analysis, sequencing of the DNA targeting invertebrate DNA and plant DNA processing, quality filtering and taxonomic assignment, comparison with reference database. And also the morphological approach of the prevalence of helminths, lizard captured, and morphological examination of gastrointestinal tract prevalence, intensity and abundance was calculated. Identification based on the key of different scientists and helminth identification. Prevalence of the percentage percentage of infected individuals will be calculated. Mean intensity and mean abundance of the different gastrointestinal parasites will also be calculated. Molecular approach for helminth analysis through the DNA extraction, PCR amplification, and targeting the A28S RNA gene for nematode. Specific primers will be used, sequencing will be done, and phylogenetic analysis with different likelihood and Bayesian inference method use the different softwares. Thank you very much.